Ta-da! Who's ready to watch an unboxing? What? Back in a few. Hi, this is Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City. Saves money. How's everybody doing today? Hope that this video, as always, finds everybody doing well. I'm going to have to pull the camera a little bit away so I have a little space to work with. Okay. So I didn't yank out the item, but I did. The only thing I did a minute before the video was I had to get a knife, and open the top so that I could take the item out. What am I unboxing? I am unboxing, I think it's called a microfiber duster. I hope I have the name right. Anyway, I saw this on that channel that begins with letter Q and has 3 letters. So I need this because I'm short. I'm like about 5'4". So I'm not the tallest person. So this has like sticks in it with like a good microfiber type duster thingy. So as soon as I saw this kit come online, not online, excuse me, on TV, I said, this has to be purchased. Sorry it's so dark in here. I'm just noticing that, but it's a very cloudy day. It was sunny a few minutes ago, but right now it seems very cloudy. So, okay, so I have this one big stick here, and the rest of it are these other, what else is in here? Smaller sticks. Smaller sticks with the item on it. What do they call this? It says wash and dry before initial use. That's interesting. Machine wash warm with detergent, tumble dry low. It is best to wash colored towels separately from before initial use. How do you like that? I would have never have thought to wash and dry this before the initial use. It goes to show you really have to read. You really have to read everything. You have to read. Yeah, never would have thought about wash. Now, I don't know if this is, oh, okay, wait a minute. Hello. These are those cloths. This is like those dusting cloths. Okay. That, yes, I could see that. Now, whoops. Now, there's a smaller stick with this, like, it's not a feather duster. It's microfiber, I guess. Remember feather dusters back in the old days? All you did was swap your dust all over the place. That's all you did. With this, absorbs it, okay? Trying to get the camera on this. So there's various sizes of this. And I got this on sale for a really good price. This is what I meant the other day when I was referring to there are times you have to spend. Now, for me, I used to have like a knockoff version of something like this, like from the dollar store years ago. And it did a job. They're all different colors, orange, purple. But this is the quote, end of quote, real deal. So that's fine. So now look at the various sizes. This is great. This is big. Wow. Holy smoke. So now I'm going to, wow. Oh my gosh. Look at, oh wow. That's amazing. So like I said, I have those other sticks to go. If they watch something fall down, of course, like while I'm in the middle of this demonstration, naturally, right? And let's see if there's anything else in this box. Should be. Let's see if there's any. Oh, here's something banging in there. Now, there's another size of this. Let me tell you something. This makes a great gift. You got a birthday coming up? Yeah, I know. People say, oh, is that what you give me? Something to go around dusting with? Yeah, but the day comes when you want it, or you can use it. You'd be blessed to the person that gave it to you. So, I like practical gifts. I always said this. Out of Ethel and Lucy character on TV, I'm the Ethel of the world. I love gifts you can use. So, again, so you got all these various sizes. This is humongous. This is medium. This is smaller. And they go around also with those cloth that you have to wash initially for whatever the reason is, but there's a reason. All right, now, anything else? What is it? Oh, instructions. Okay. Ta-da, instructions. So instructions are a good thing. So I look forward to using these things. In all probability, it'll do a good job. Let me open up this long extending stick here, because this is really what caught my eye. Because, you know, when you're shorter, it's like, you know, you find yourself asking for people to reach for things in the grocery store. They used to be easy to get, those, you know, those sticks in the grocery store that to reach higher. For some reason lately, not easy to find those anymore. I don't know why, but I can't stand it having to ask that taller person every time to ask to reach for something. But sometimes it happens. What could you do, you know? Sometimes you just have to ask for help. I don't love to, but sometimes you have to. Oh, okay, wow. Holy smoke. Wow, is this a long device? Wow. They weren't kidding. I mean, I can't even begin to explain how tall this is. It's taller than me as a human. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up already. I could tell they got myself a good quality product. And this whole thing, guess what? I got it for under $26. I'll pull the camera a little closer to me now. So here's the interesting thing. This is an expense I don't mind. I'd rather save money and not buy trinkets at the dollar store. I'd rather get something like this. I got value. The whole thing was less than $30. I think it was 26 bucks. It was on sale because the normal price is a bit higher. So I snatched the deal. Here's a case of bagging the deal. Now, this is why I like to mention all this regarding frugality. Frugality is not about deprivation. It's about making choices. I rather choose to not get something that, to me personally, Janet, is not that meaningful to me. Now, to someone else, certain things are, you know, meaningful to them. To me, being a practical person, it's more meaningful to me that I have a dusting device that has a very long extender to it, of which I can reach tall ceilings, which I have here, tall ceilings. So for me, this makes life a lot easier, and I really got a value. This is just an example. What is not important, conversely, on the same exact network, just saying, what's not important to me and will probably never happen in my lifetime, I'm never going to buy a cake that needs 5 easy payment plan. I'm not going to pay for a cake and put it on an easy payment plan. But that's me, because I'm just as happy with box cake mix or something fresh from the local bakery. I don't need or want to pay something like a piece of cake in 5 easy payment plan. I'm not saying it's not delicious. They look great. I'm not saying it's not fine quality. I'm saying what matters more to Jan. Something like this, practical stuff, this matters more to Jan. That's why I believe myself to be truly a frugal person. How about you? Would you rather get the 5 easy payment plan cake, no judgment, or would you rather get something practical? Let me know in the comment section below. So thanks for being here during the unboxing, and I really do appreciate you. All right, listen, you take care. I'm going to close out the show, and I'm going to give you a wave as soon as I find my closeout music. Have an amazing, fantastic day. Take good care now. Bye-bye.